If you're looking for some great meal inspiration, we are back with Gina Sunderland of Manitoba Chicken, and she's always got great recipes to share. Gina, good to see you.
Great to see you.
What is it that we're going to be whipping up today?
Well, happy holidays, Terry. I cannot believe we are in the full swing of the holiday season. My favorite time of year. Love to host family meals with friends and family. Gatherings are wonderful. But you know, as the host, we're always looking for those easy recipes. So I've got two super brand new Manitoba chicken recipes. I've got our chicken and chickpea salad and our barbecue chicken flatbreads. So not only are these great for feeding your own family, if you're invited to a potluck, there are super items to bring for that potluck menu.
I love that. You'll be a superstar when you're showing up with a dish like this.
Make and take.
So how do we make this?
Okay, so very simple, Terry. Ingredients that we have on hand. I love that this uses canned chickpeas and cooked chicken. Great way to use up our leftover chicken. So we're going to start by having you make the delicious dressing, very citrusy.
Okay.
A quarter cup of lemon juice and a quarter cup of olive oil goes in there. Okay.
And what else is going in
we got
there?
3 cloves of fresh garlic, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, a teaspoon of cumin. Yeah, just give it a great little whisking. And then our fresh lemon zest, a tablespoon. Okay, beautiful. So mix
that smells good already.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we've got about 2 cups of cooked chicken.
And you got me on this a long time ago, Gina, where you say cook that up in advance, always have it around, and then when you are making these recipes, they come together that much faster.
Right, and you can even freeze cooked chicken. So on the weekend, I love to bake up a big pan of chicken breasts or chicken parts, and then I have it for all kinds of things like these flatbreads, like this salad. Okay, so you're gonna add in a cup of half cherry tomatoes. You can use regular tomatoes, a red pepper. I've even used the pickled jarred red pepper for a little bit of a different flavor. We've got 3 cucumbers here. You could use the tiny ones, or you can use the larger English cucumber. 3/4 of a cup of feta, crumbled feta.
Yes.
So we've got a little bit of savory. And then, Terry, we have 6 chopped dates. So it just adds that little element of a little bit of sweetness.
I love this.
Very
festive. We were just talking off camera, high in iron. You've got protein, you've got iron, you've got all the good things in here.
Yeah.
What are we tossing in here with the herbs?
So parsley, a quarter cup, and fresh mint.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yeah. So these herbs just, you know, the chicken, the herbs, the contrasting flavors. This is not only looks festive, but it is so delicious, Terry.
And then it's just a matter of pouring the dressing on top.
And toss it. And it's a hearty salad. It holds up beautifully. So you can get it all ready. Take it to your gathering or serve it to your guests.
You will be a star showing up with this dish. All right,
I guarantee
and that came together so quickly.
It sure did.
We don't want to run out of time for our next recipe.
No, we don't. So we have our brand new barbecue chicken flatbread. So I like to use already prepared flatbread or naan or tortilla. Sometimes I'll buy, you know, frozen bread dough and make my own flatbreads with that. So all I'm doing here is just putting a little bit of a prepared barbecue sauce onto our flatbreads.
And then the rest right over the chicken?
You got it. About 2/3 of a cup onto your chicken. So I shredded 3 chicken breasts, 2 to 3 chicken breasts, depending on the size. Another great way to use up that leftover chicken.
And from here, get the kids involved and get them layering up. We don't want to run out of time, but it's all going to come together like this. What are the cheeses that we have here?
Okay, so we've got a cup of mozzarella, we've got a cup of smoked Gouda or your other favorite cheese. So we simply just, layer it on the chicken, and then layer on a little bit of your crumbled bacon, jalapeno peppers, cheese, red onion. Honestly, Terry, the flavors are just incredible.
Perfect. There you can see it. It pops in the oven. How long are we going to bake it for?
You know what? 400 degrees and only bakes for about 8 to 10 minutes. Just get that cheese nice and bubbly because your chicken's already cooked. Yeah, and you can find these on manitobachicken.ca.
I'll be checking that out for sure. Thanks for sharing these with us, Gina.
My pleasure, Terry. Happy holidays.
Same to you.
Thank you.
Brought to you by Manitoba Chicken. Discover delicious and nutritious recipes at manitobachicken.ca.